Jigsaw puzzles are lots of fun to do. Can you see? This one's going to be a fire engine. But do you know how to make a jigsaw? Let's find out.
Jigsaw!
Line up 12 lollipop sticks side by side. Stick a piece of sticky tape across both ends to keep the sticks in place. Choose a photo or your favourite picture, add glue to the back and place on top of the sticks. Push down on the picture to make sure it's stuck down and let the glue dry. Ask a grown-up to score in between the lollipop sticks using scissors. Jumble up all the pieces and put the picture back together. Can you see what it's going to be? Wow! We've solved the puzzle and can see the picture. Look, it's me, Maddie.